the aftermath of Spithill's Oracle triumphs and Bruni's ascent through the Luna Rosa ranks, destiny was preparing to unite these two titans. Now, with both Bruni's tactical brilliance and Spithill's raw, unrelenting will to win, Lunarosa was ready to face the ultimate challenge. The 2021 campaign saw Luna Rosa take on the might of Emirates Team New Zealand in the final. Every race was a clash of titans, Bruni and Spithill fighting for every meter, every gust of wind, every second. While the ultimate prize remained elusive, their teamwork and resilience captured the hearts of sailing fans worldwide.